people who believe they were wrongfully excluded from somebody's estate as a beneficiary, my advice to them would be to see me as soon as possible. In New Jersey, those people who believe they were wrongfully excluded from an estate can file a document called a caveat with the surrogate's office in the county in which the decedent resided. And if that caveat is filed within 10 days of the person's death, they will successfully block the probate of the will that they believe they were excluded from. And that caveat document is a quick and inexpensive paper that can be filed, and then that puts the burden on the proposed executor of the will to file a larger amount of papers at a greater cost with the probate court in order to try to set aside the caveat. For those people who did not act quickly enough to file that caveat to block the probate of a will, the other option they have is to file a will contest in the probate court in the county in which the decedent resided. One of the things I find in talking to a lot of people about will contests is that most people don't realize the short statute of limitations that applies to will contest filings. For example, in auto accident cases, you have a 2-year statute of limitations from the date of the accident in order to file the lawsuit. In probate court for will contests in New Jersey, that statute of limitations is 4 months for an in-state resident and 6 months for an out-of-state resident. So obviously, those people who believe they were wrongfully excluded from someone's estate should see me as soon as possible to file the appropriate papers to protect their rights as a potential beneficiary.